today I will introduce you some top sell products and application scenario. And this one is JK500. It can apply in game machines, vending machines, and printing equipment. This one is JK503. It can use for mailbox and vending machines and some lockers. This is JK531 brass cover key camera lock. It can apply in slot machines and museum display cabinets. And the most popular is used in ATMs. It's a high security camera locks. This is the can. The next one is JK5208 model. Is also cover key, a high security brass camera lock. This is for a vending machine T-handle lock. It now is widely used for. It used to replace the cylinder for the old tubular key models, because this model has high security level and quality. This is JK216 key switches. It is applied in elderly scooters, elevators, and forklifts, and door control systems, and also the medical equipment is a key switch. Now, and the next one is JK2801. It serves for electric forklifts and light beauty, laser, and medical equipment. It's a key switch. It has the terminals too. The final one is MB444 panel lock. It has a waterproof rating of IP65. It's used for both tool bars, for trucks, campers, RVs, where waterproof requirements are needed.